Hello students, I hope you must have gone through the previous revision 1 video. You might have, in that video I had told you what were the modules till where you had to see that, so that you can keep yourself updated. This whole week is the revision week, and I just request you all go through the previous video that is already there in your website, and according to that start preparing for yourself, because it will help you. It will help you also, it will help me also to start with my conditions. Start with my chapters. Okay, now in this case we have got this is revision 2 class, and revision 2 class when we have, then I'm extremely delighted and extremely happy, because we are going to start with the revision class for the calculus. Okay, and if you see the calculus class, just if I get to see the modules that was for the calculus class, it was module number, I'll just let you know, it was module number 6. If you get to see module number 6, note it down. Module number 6, in that I had explained about the application of calculus. Now calculus is one of the branch of mathematics, but then again we are using calculus complete in physics, because if you don't have any idea about calculus, you cannot do anything, you cannot proceed, you cannot do anything with physics. So calculus ideas, calculus, knowing the calculus is very, very important. I request you all, you may not get the direct question, but you may get the indirect question from the calculus. So that is the reason I request to go through module number 6, and that is for the module number 6, and then we have got module number 7 also, that is the application of calculus. Module number 6 we have done with the differentiation. Calculus is divided into 2 categories. It is divided into differentiation and it is divided into integration. So differentiation means you make anything very small. If you want to know about the any sort of physical quantity, you want to know about the work done, then generally we don't find out in the maximized state, we find out things in the minimized state, small amount of work done. So there you will find that we have done the chapters based on the small amount of work done. If you want to find then what are the constant, what are the variables, you need to know, because if you don't know the variables and the constant, you cannot do that. Okay, so differentiation was one of the part when we were doing it up. Integration is the summary, summarizing the things. And there again integration is divided into 2 parts. It is divided into definite integral and indefinite integral. Definite integral, where we have the limits, it means from where you're starting, where you are ending up, you need to know. So that is definite. And if it is indefinite integral, if we don't have the limits, we put C as the constant of integration. If you watch my video complete, you will get to know, understand more about the calculus. Read the book. Again the same thing, read your Newton physics book, it will help you. And at the same time, it's my advice, go through, if you are not very much comfortable, if you don't find the contents too much to the topic, for this you can very well go to others like Khan Academy also. There are some pretty good videos available in the YouTube. You can go through, watch that and understand. Okay, and then when we will have the doubt class, then definitely you come up with your doubts. The doubt class, when we have the Zoom class, the first one class will be completely with the first chapter, that is dimensional. And it's my request, before you join this class, it will be better that you might have seen your numericals, because I'm not going to explain anything again. You watch the video, explanation is already done. Okay, explanation is already done.